Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Bobby Smokes. I want to show you guys my little humble phone farm, and I want to show you the little portable phone farm system that I made over there. That thing that looks like a three-dimensional domino on the left, and that's also two phones that we're going to add to the farm. So we're going to have a total of 5, and we're going to get that all set up and check that out. Here's the detail of the portable phone farm. I got it set up with 5 holes in each side. I haven't attached the Velcro yet. I think I'm going to do stripes all the way around, because though it's kind of set up for 5 phones, as I'm going to show you with these broken phones, it has the potential to hold many more. The reason I built the little 3D domino holder is because I'm finding I'm having to actually push the buttons on the phones quite a bit. They're supposed to be passive apps, but I don't know. For me, for whatever reason, I'm finding that I'm having to push them quite a bit, but I'm only using the Perk ones right now, and so it's basically one phone's made about $1 over a 3-day period, which I don't think is bad at all. These phones I got, they were like $15 each from Smart Talk, and what I did was I went on Survey Junkie and I did that for like a couple of days, and I cashed out about 30 bucks on there, and so I bought these 2 phones. And so to me, these phones basically cost like, I think it maybe cost me like $33. So to me, these phones, I have $3 in these phones to me. These 2 phones were cracked. This phone's whatever, kind of a junky phone. So this whole setup to me, I only have about 5 bucks in it. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right, these are the phones we got. A couple of ZTE phones. I guess that's a model number 818L. They were basically the 2 phones that I could get for $15 each. And they had the Android 5.1 Lollipop. I'm not sure whose video I saw that on. I've seen like eCash Society, those videos are great, and Tech Hustler, those videos are great. Shout out to those 2 guys, very knowledgeable stuff. I'm not sure if they're the videos I even watched on that. There's a lot of good stuff on YouTube about phone farming. But so yeah, let's get set up. Alright guys, looks like we managed to get all 5 phones going at once, which is great. Everything's running on Perk. We can get a look at the cord management. It won't be too wild. What I'm hoping to do is just be able to pop the cords off, pop them in here. Hopefully that won't be too bad. I think even if you had up to, the 15 phones that it could easily do, I don't think cord management is going to be too bad. Oh, look at the girl twerking. See guys, sometimes watching ads is not all bad, guys. Sometimes it's really fun. But anyway, so this is the whole point. I want to be able to pick it up, carry it around like that. So yeah, and I think that I was going to put all these other phones on it to show you guys how many you could load up on there, but I don't know, because I think that realistically you might not want to even do more than 5 or 6 per side. But even at 5 per side, this little rack will carry 15. I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna do a little, I might do some other videos. If you guys like it, just leave some comments, and I could talk about Survey Junkie and how to make quick money on there or whatever. So yeah, subscribe, whatever. Hope you guys like it. Keep phone farming, and have a good night. Happy New Year.